Saat Mr. Lunes.
Yeah.
They want Dharma. They want Dharma. They want Dharma. They want karma. They want Dharma. They want Dharma. They want Dharma. You want these rags. You want these rags. You want these better. You want these rags. You want these rags. You want these rags. You want these better. You want these stacks. Riding in my scooter cause I am so poor. Talking with your baby and we do some chores. Trying to get some pee-pee but I need some more. Walking through the suburbs and I feel like the Lord. Running through the slum gang like a fucking gang store. Every time I show up I get that on a core. Molly's so deep like that fucking tenor. On my fucking wrist I got 33 needles.
YAD.com.
Please excuse my testicles, but don't excuse the nonsense. Please excuse my tentacles, but don't refuse the concept. Do not make a big deal that I grew another nutsack. 2008, Mumbai.
While driving this vehicle, you're also going to notice that it does have
you were
quiet.
CASCADA.
One thing is